Hello everybody, how you doing today? Just took this Illinois Central out of the repair box. Thought we'd maybe repair it, put some metal wheels on it, run it a bit. As you can see, it's missing a coupler box, complete coupler box. It's got the nice spring-loaded metal frame, but the wheels are plastic. So we'll do something about that and get it running. Well, alright, we got a coupler box installed and working pretty good. Well, alright, there you go. We've installed a new coupler box with a coupler. We installed some steel wheels. We are now ready to go put it on the track and see how it runs. Alright, well there you go. I've got it hooked up to the Illinois Central switcher along with a few other Illinois Central items I have. I do have an Illinois Central locomotive, but it's brown and yellow and it doesn't quite match the paint scheme as that, so yeah, let's run it a bit. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed. Hope you're having a great day. See you on the next one.